Rohingya politician Abdul Rashid was born in Myanmar and is one of the very few Muslims to have Myanmar citizenship. His father was a civil servant, but when the country goes to the polls in November, he will not be able to stand because officials accuse him of having foreign roots. Rashid is among at least a dozen candidates from the Rohingya Muslims who have applied to run in the upcoming election, hoping to get a chance under the government led by Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi. 6 have been rejected after officials said they failed to prove their parents were citizens at the time of their birth. Out of the 6, 4 are from Rashid's party and the other 2 are independent candidates. The nation goes to the poll on November 8th in what analysts see as an important test of the transition away from direct military rule, but rights groups say the disqualification of Rohingya candidates demonstrates the limits of reform in the country. In his apartment in Yangon, Rashid leafed through a mountain of identity cards and letters. Myanmar does not recognize the term Rohingya or the community as an indigenous ethnic group. They are derided as Bengalis, implying they are illegal immigrants from Bangladesh, despite tracing their history in Rakhine back centuries. Successive military governments that ruled Myanmar stripped the Rohingya of identity documents, leaving many with no proof of their origins. More than 730,000 were expelled from Myanmar's Rakhine state in 2017 after a military crackdown the UN has said was carried out with genocidal intent. Several 100,000 who remain are mostly confined to camps and villages and subjected to severe curbs on movement and access to health care. The vast majority of the Rohingya are unlikely to be able to vote due to a lack of citizenship, leaving little hope of victory for the very few Rohingya candidates who managed to get approval to stand in the election.